what's up? It's your boy Corey Nicholson, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Why Don't We Slow Down, the remix version, alright? Now, it's a pretty easy song. We're literally going to be using 2 chords, but if you want to play it like an advanced player or as it sounds on the song, then yeah, you're going to have a lot more work to do. But let's start with the beginner level. We're basically strumming C, and then going to F. Sounds better when you're muting the chords and then you're just drumming down. I'm literally just strumming down. I think about 16 times per chord. Or you can do the speed it up. Suppose you're an intermediate player, then you can do. And if you're an advanced player and you want to play, you're basically playing your C chord, yeah, but then you're not holding the B string, okay, on the first fret. So that's open. And then you want to play this string 8 times to sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So you can either strum that or pluck it. If you're gonna strum, try to mute your first string just by putting your index finger over it. Not really pressing it, but just putting your index finger over it so that when you're strumming, it doesn't, you don't get that open first string. So okay, so the riffs that you need to know that you're gonna put at the end of the chord C are as follows. So you go to your second string and you're playing, which is the B string. You're playing, which is first fret, and then you go to third string, play open. Okay, so we have that. Okay, 8 times. And then you go to, while you're holding your C, you go to string number 4 and play 4, 3, okay? 4, 3, so 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, okay? Like that. So you just need to know the for F, instead of holding the whole chord, we're just gonna hold strings 6 and 4, okay? And then the riff for this part is, which you're already holding when you're holding F, and then you're playing open on the 4th, back to 5th, 3rd fret, okay? And then you go to 4, so, and then you go to 2nd fret on 2, so, and then you go to 3rd fret and play that twice, okay? So that's 4 open on the 4th, 5th, 3rd fret, open on the 4th, 2nd again, 2. Sorry, that's 3, but then you're playing it twice. Okay, so F, and what I'm doing at the beginning there is just like I'm playing strings 5, 4, 3, 2 really fast, so that's, but then it's super fast, so it sounds like, okay, so that's, pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and let me know in the comment section below what you would like me to improve in these videos to bring more value to you. Peace.